Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this yummy fruit pizza. So let's get started. You can just pause the video and take a screenshot of the ingredients list so it's easier for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon. So for the base, you will need all-purpose flour, sugar granulated, unsalted butter, 2 sticks, 1 egg, baking powder, baking soda, and vanilla extract. In a larger bowl, we're going to add the flour along with the baking powder and baking soda so it can be thoroughly combined. In another bowl, we're going to add the butter and we're going to whisk it until it is light and fluffy. To that, we're going to add sugar one at a time, like half of it at once and then the other half the second time, and just beat it until it's light and fluffy. As you can see, it's gone paler, so now we're going to add the egg. And I dropped it in the thing. And we're just going to beat it until it is well combined. Now we're going to add the vanilla and just give it a mix and set that aside. So basically this is the base of the fruit pizza. This is going to be the dough part. And so we're just adding the flour half at a time and we're beating it with the beater, but then like you will have to combine it with your hands because it is like crumbly, so you need to knead it well as shown. So this is just a step I wanted to show you guys. You don't have to make the cookie dough at home. You can always buy it from the store if it's available, but for some people it won't be, so that's why I wanted to show how to make it. You're just going to take a cookie sheet and you're going to add the cookie dough to that and just spread it around, and then you're going to bake it in the oven at 375 for around 17 to 18 minutes until it's golden brown. So for the topping, we will need heavy whipping cream, which I've whipped up. It is around 2 cups of heavy whipping cream with 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. It should form stiff peaks as shown, and you're going to put that in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Now here I'm taking 8 ounces of cream cheese, which have softened at room temperature, and you're just going to put it in the pan and we're just going to whip that up as well until it is light and fluffy. To this I'm adding around 1 cup of the heavy cream mixture. Also, we're not going to add any sugar to this because the pizza part is already too sweet. As you can see, our cookie base is done. I just cut off the edges to make it a little prettier. You don't have to do that, but I just am a perfectionist and I like to do that step. So what I forgot to record is what else you will need. So basically you will need apricot preserves or apricot jam. You're gonna take 1 cup of that and just whisk it up until it breaks apart. And now it's time to decorate. So you're gonna put a layer of the jam onto the cookie sheet as shown. Not the cookie sheet, the cookie. You're just gonna lay it down on the whole base, and this will be your main base. First it would be the cookie layer, then it will be the apricot jam, and next comes the cream cheese. So now we're taking the cream cheese, just whisking it up a little bit and adding dollops, and we're just gonna spread it. Don't worry if it mixes up with the jam, it's totally fine because the whipped cream is gonna cover all that and you won't be able to see it. But yeah, this is like my favorite layer, it tastes so good. And now it's time to add the whipped cream that we had whipped up earlier. And we're just gonna spread it out like that. I'm using a spatula now because it was easier, and I'm twisting and turning my tray so it's just easier to spread out evenly. And here is the final product. Now is the time for the best part. You're gonna just layer it with strawberries and kiwis. I don't suggest adding other fruit because it won't taste the same. Just add the strawberries and kiwis, and that is it. Your fruit pizza is ready. I hope you enjoy it with your friends and family. It is a super simple recipe and you can make it in no time. So thank you guys for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Do share with me if you ever make it. Thanks so much. Allah Hafiz.